one city, two maps, one drawn to scale, every distance honest, the other, a beautiful lie that keeps only what connects. Both are true, the only question is which truth you need. Start from above. A satellite looks straight down and records the city exactly. Streets to scale, blocks in proportion, nothing rearranged. It never distorts a distance, but it is flat, the hill, and the valley hidden behind it, pressing to the same square of ground. Which single view shows the most of the city at once? The satellite chooses its angle by one rule: find the direction along which the city spreads out the most, and look down that line. Lay the next widest direction across it. Everything else is pressed flat onto that plane. The picture keeps every true proportion it can, and quietly loses whatever was stacked behind. Now throw the ground away. The subway map keeps only one thing: what connects to what. Stations in order, lines that touch. It stretches the crowded center wide so you can read it, and shrinks the long empty runs to almost nothing. Useless for distance, perfect for finding your way. Who sits next to whom? And can we keep that flattened? Begin with neighbors, join each placed of the handful nearest it, and a web appears. Now let it settle. Neighbors pull together, strangers gently drift apart, until the tangle relaxes into a flat sheet. Clusters surface on their own. Shake it, and let it fall again. A different drawing of the very same truth. Take one journey and trace it on both. On the satellite, two stops sit a finger apart, but the line between them coils through the hills. On the subway, that same coil is a single straight hop. Neither map is lying, they are answering different questions. What if the city isn't flat, but rolled up? Picture the land curled like a scroll. The satellite still looks straight down, and the far edge folds onto the nearer one. The back of the hill simply vanishes behind its face. The subway instead unrolls the scroll, keeping every neighbor exactly in place, and in flattening it, invents a scale that was never there. So when the subway map sets two districts far apart, resist the ruler. That gap is a choice the map made to stay readable, not a measurement. The shape of the network is honest. The spaces between are scenery. If two neighborhoods look far apart here, are they? Watch the same clusters on each map. The satellite measures the gap between them and means it. A tight crowd stays tight. The subway evens everyone out. Dense and sparse drawn the same size, and the gap between clusters lands wherever the settling left it. Run it again. The gap moves, the grouping does not. Which map, then? If you need to know how far, how big, how much, the satellite, always. If you need to see what groups with what, and find your way through it, the subway. Carry both. A traveler who trusts only one will get lost. So which map do you reach for? The same data, drawn both ways. One keeps true distance, repeats exactly, and names its directions. Reach for it to measure. The other makes the clusters leap out and follows the city's hidden curves. Reach for it to see. Different truths, kept on purpose. Two maps of one city, one honest about space, one honest about connection. The skill is not choosing the right map, it is knowing which truth you're holding.